Hello friends, I am Dr. Ashish Agrawat. Welcome to my channel Live Biochemistry. Today I am going to discuss about how to make online MCQ quiz using the Google form. So this will be very useful video in context of the lockdown where you can take online exam for your students. So I will show you how to make this quiz, and I will also show you how I will share the mobile screen so how students can see. I will also show that. So please stay tuned and watch this video till the end. So now I am sharing the screen. So you have to type Google form in the Google. Once it is done, just select it, right, and go to the Google form. Once you go there, there are options like respond please, contact information, party invite, ready-made templates are available. So I will just show you the demo how these ready-made templates are there. So you can use of this template and make the Google forms. So here this is like one event. So can you attend it? What are the name of people attending? How did you hear about this event? So like this, you can make the ready-made form. You can make use of this ready-made form. Otherwise, go to the blank form. So I'm now selecting the blank form, right? So I'm just selecting the blank form. Now there are options here. This is for the add-on. If you want to any add-on features of the Google form, then you can make. Here there is a customized theme option. So if you want to change the outlook of your form, so you have seen there is yellow now. Okay, you can change the background color or you can change the font style from this. Okay, it's up to you how you want to make. Then there is an option called preview. So once you have made the form, you just want to see, so it will show you the preview portion. Then this is very important, setting portion, very important. So here if you want to collect the email address, so just select it. If you want to limit to the one response, it happens that many times many students respond respond to the form many times, but here just select to the one, so student can select only one time with one email ID. Okay, and there is option like respondent can edit after submit, so I don't think it should be click on, and we should select the see summary charts and text responses. Okay, then there is option called as a presentation. So students, when you are filling the form, he can see the progress bar and shuffle the question order. So you can select it if you want to shuffle the question order, and if you want to make a quiz, then select on this quiz portion. Okay, once you select it, another options comes like release the grade immediately after submission and later after the manual review. So if there is a question for the short answer, then you can manually review and then release the grade. Otherwise, select on this, right? And after that, you have to save these settings, right? Once it is saved and once Google form is made, you can select the send, right? And you can, there are other options like make a copy, okay, or get the pre-filled link, print. So these are multiple forms are there, okay, multiple script editor, add collaborative. If another teacher want to add in the Google form, then you can add the collaborator, right? So these are the options. Now I will show you how to make the questions, right? So here in the for the quiz, you have to write what is your name like that, okay, and it will automatically show you to the short answer, okay, and there should be no points for the name, okay. That is the basic information that we want to collect when we are making the Google form. So go to that and you can make it compulsory or not, okay. And here you can delete the form, delete this question, and you can copy the form also, okay, copy the question also. There are other options like description and response validation, okay. So suppose I make this, okay, once it is made, what is your name, then go to the add another question. So here this is the symbol for the adding another question, okay. So I'm selecting, now I'm writing what is your roll number, and it will be short answer. So it is a short answer. This is, okay, no marks for this, and you can make it as a compulsory. Student must write the name. And you can delete here, you can copy here. Okay, here one more point is you can add the form like MCQ quiz. and you can write the description like all the best. Okay, like this. And once this Google form is made, this is the option for the responses. Whatever response you got, you can get from this. Okay, so you have write the name, you have write the roll number. Now I am making this MCQ. So just select on this add question, and first question like which is primary antibody, which is primary antibody. Okay, and here you have to select the options like IgG, IgA, IgM, or IgD. Right. After that, you have to select the correct answer. For that, in the answer key, you have to select the +1. Okay, grading 1. You can give 2 marks, 3 marks according to your wish. But suppose I am taking 1. Now I have to select the correct answer. Like IgM is the correct answer, so I am selecting this. Okay, so that when student select this answer, he will get the 1 mark. And you can add the answer feedback. This is a very important feature. Okay, for the incorrect answer, you can set the feedback like, sorry, correct answer is IgM. If student select IgA, he will get the feedback like, sorry, correct answer is IgM. Okay, and if student select IgM, then he will get the feedback like, yes, answer is correct. Or if you want to make additional information, then also you can provide with this. Okay, so this is a very good feature. Okay, you can add the video also as a feedback, or you can share any link also. So thus I am selecting this, right? So this is a very important features. There are other options like import question. You can import the question from the question bank. Okay, add title and description. You can add the image. You can add the video also as a question. So I am showing you this now. So I am making the another question. So 2. Okay. Now I want to select the question, image based question. So which mineral deficiency lead to this sign? Okay. So now I am sharing the image. So uploading, inserting image from the browse, and I am selecting this image. Okay, and open. Okay, so like this, it will show which mineral deficiency lead to this. Now your option may be iron. Okay, then suppose I write zinc. Calcium. Okay, and any like magnesium. Okay, 4 options are there. Now what I have to do, I have to select the correct answer. So I have to give the point, 1 point, and then select the correct answer like calcium. It is a titany, Rosio sign, right? It is a sign of titany. Okay, you can select the feedback also. So this is done. Okay, the 2 questions I have already made, right? Suppose I want to make multiple type of choice question, then I am selecting this add question, right? And this is the 3rd question. Select correct answer. Okay. And I am selecting as a not as a multiple choice question, but as a checkbox grid. Okay. So I will show you how does it looks. Okay. So here there is a row, here there is a column. Okay. So like this, suppose I am selecting select correct answer. So suppose I am writing vitamin K. vitamin K, vitamin A, vitamin D, and vitamin A. Right. In the column, option will be like retinoic acid, then tocopherol, phylloquinone, right? Require a response in each row. So if you want to select this, just compulsory for every answer. Now you can select the points. Okay. So select one answer, and here this is how it will look. Okay. So for each question, you can select the answer. Suppose I am selecting for each answer, selecting one grade, right? And for the vitamin K, the correct answer will be phylloquinone. Vitamin A, correct answer will be retinoic acid. Vitamin D, okay, that is cholecalciferol, and vitamin E, tocopherol. Okay, so like this. Okay. So like this, you can make correct name of vitamin. You can give the hint for the students. So this is how you can make different type of multiple type of choice question. Okay, now I'm showing you how it looks so far. So I will selecting the preview. So students will get all MCQ quiz, all the base. We have to write email address compulsory as we have validated the email. Student has to write the name, has to write the roll number. Then what is the primary antibody he has to select. Then this image based question will be seen and select the correct answer. Okay, like this. Now I will go back here. Okay, and I am showing you another type of question now. Okay, so I am suppose this is the fourth question, and I want to make check boxes. Suppose I am selecting the check box. Okay, so it will show whether the tick mark. The student has to just tick mark on it. Okay, like which immunoglobulin cross the placenta. Okay, option like IgA, IgG, IgM, or IgE. So you can see at every option there is the option for the image addition, right? So I have to select answer key. Okay, the point 1 and correct answer. Suppose this is IgG, right? So for this, what student has to do? Student has to just click on the checkbox. Here, what was the option? Here there is a round, but there will be checkbox at that. Okay, you can select the multiple checkbox also. Okay, if there are the multiple answers, okay, then students can select multiple checkbox also. Right? So this is how you can make the Google quiz. Okay, suppose I want to delete it, I'm just selecting on delete. Right. So this is how you can make the Google form. Now my Google form is almost ready. Now I will show you how does it looks in the mobile. Okay, and just I'm selecting the preview. Okay, 1 point for the TOEFL is 1 point and 4 points. Suppose by mistake I have selected as a 57 points, right? So I have to correct it. Right. So done. Okay, now what you have to do once it is done, you have to select on the send. You can send to the email address. Suppose I am sending on my email address, right? And you can go to the send. Okay, so it is now, it is sent. You can also click on this, okay, shorten the URL and copy the URL link and send by email or WhatsApp, and students will get. You can also send in the Facebook or Twitter. Now I will show you how to use it in the mobile. Okay. So I am now sharing the screen with you. Okay. So I have received this email. So I have to select this, fill out this form. So click on this fill out form. Okay, so once I did this, you can see here in my mobile screen, there is an option called MCQ quiz, all the best. Okay, email address. So I have to fill up my email address compulsory. This is must. Okay, I have to write my name, roll number, suppose roll number 1. Then this is how it will show which is the primary antibody. So I have to select the correct answer. Suppose I'm selecting IgM. So which mineral deficiency lead to this sign? So I will select the calcium. Okay. Then select the correct answer, multiple type of question. Okay. So vitamin K, it is a phylloquinone. Vitamin A, suppose it is a retinoic acid. Vitamin D is cholecalciferol, and vitamin E is tocopherol. Okay. So I have selected this. And which immunoglobulin cross the placenta? Suppose I am selecting IgG. Okay. Now I am submitting the form, and I can show the score. So view score. So I got the 7 out of 7. Right. So I get this, like, I can get the feedback. Yes, answer is correct for the IgM. So I sent that feedback, so I can get. Okay, so this is how this Google Forms works, and it is very important. And once student has submitted the form, you can see the response also. Okay, so you can see here, this is the response. One response I have got. Okay, and I can select in the spreadsheet. So just create the spreadsheet. Select on this. So I will get the Excel sheet data for this response. Okay, so this is how I get. So I get the email address, I get the score, and what individual students, what he has write or written, I can see. Okay, and also in the response there is a summary. Okay, so I will get how many, what is the average score, okay, of the students, which question got maximum marks, which question got least mark. So all this summary we will get via the different charts and different presentation. So it is a wonderful, Google Form is very useful to you. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share my video, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification for my future video also. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.